The movie.
All right, back to the movie.
Honey, what was your initial gut response to the movie?
All right, before I walked in there, I expected...
Oh, wait. Hey, wait. Can we... We did actually watch all the other Naked Guns within, like, the last week. Like,
yes.
all of them.
Yes.
And they were pretty okay.
Can I say my piece now?
Go.
Oh, okay, cool.
Well, you gotta give the backdrop that we've seen the old ones.
Oh, like an hour.
Yeah, we had to get there early.
But movie overall, I liked it. I think it was hilarious. Hi, Gary. I think it was hilarious. I think it had dumb jokes, right? Like it had dumb jokes that you would, when you see it, you're like, that's funny, right?
That was the funniest movie I've seen in a movie theater in a long time.
And we watch a lot of movies.
We do watch a lot of movies. But that, I'm telling you, that movie, you are literally laughing about every 3 minutes. You're laughing because of how funny this movie is. And I didn't realize for the longest time that it was Pamela Anderson is Liam Neeson's...
The Liams of the Neeson.
The Liam Neeson's love interest, but they're also dating.
Well, okay, they weren't at first, right?
No, in real life, they're dating.
Oh, are they really?
In real life. But yes, go see The Naked Gun. That's hilarious. There's moments that are so stupid funny that, like, if you're very immature, like most people are.
Oh, wow, I do not like that. That feels so weird. It's like, oh, look, like Shane. Sorry, continue. From American Horror Story, he's the axe murderer, right?
The Axeman, yeah.
The Axeman from American Horror Story. So, like, he already has that bad guy vibe to him. And he's like, are we going to do this? And Liam Neeson was like, yes.
Oh, the fight scene. This was the funny. Paint a picture. Paint us a picture.
So, like, are we going to do this? And the Liams of the Neesons is like, let's do this. And he got one good sucker punch into the stomach. And then the guy's like, oh.
Like that, right? Like, it's hilarious. He's like, you punch... And then he says in, like, this high-pitched voice, he's like, you punched me in the soft spot of my tummy. And Liam's, like, standing there like, what do you... Have you ever been in a fight? And the guy's like, no, it really hurts.
Well, I thought he said, I have been in a fight, duh, but this... You hit it right in the spot.
No, he said he'd never been in a fight.
Oh, I thought he said he had been in a fight.
And it was just, it's a fun movie.
I haven't seen a fun movie in a long time.
It is